Yo! You don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. And see me welcome back to another episode of Negus Speak. You understand? Me don't know, so you see the title already. Dovey Magnum BAWL OUT after the thing leak. You understand? Yeah, man, the thing leak and shit up on a live attack to JR from Chromatic. Another brother named Entourage and another brother I don't know. You understand? Yeah. So we just gonna dive right in there because I'm in a bag of long chatting like some of them people with some long interests. You just make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get the video as the video them drop it. I just want to give thanks for the support so far. Bless up yourself. One nation. One nation. One nation. Blessings and honor everybody. I don't know the thing set. Let's get into the video.
Whatever, it may can come outside. So if you're inside and hears it outside, just, you know, yeah. I'm not afraid. I just feel bad for you, baby, but I don't judge her.
Dove got a long time out top freaking a calm down all from all these years.
But I don't like one can freak everybody, but the boy, me I tell you something, give the boy a half a mean a dog.
I make us a ball out.
No, I never make me say ball out. I make me say toxic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I just like I say it now. But I'm not afraid when nobody threaten me, so I just say it because I see one fake page put it up. One fake page put it up and them I try to follow back people. Feed exposed and I just go and watch it, then block me. So I just go and watch.
Go and check my DM because I get every video up in my DM them, you know, so I'm going to check my DM because...
Right, so I just go and watch. Because I'm not afraid. It's just that, you know... Right. Remember say, my name not gonna say, you know, like I said, the other man be mad and then, you know, I say, you know, I don't mind my songs them and what they do, but no video out there because, you know, I have a son and shit, but it is what it is. I'm a gangster. I'm not afraid of them though, JR. I'm not afraid of them boy there.
But no say a bad girl, man. I am some man though.
I'm not afraid of video because big man thing, I stay good. Mistake with one thing because you see the person, oh God, you see if that the person that get exposed, enough things are gonna go on, and I just that alone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So but don't you have to expect the man that the man must eat your be after you got new body and I give man none of that.
No, but me and him been jump off from before body and all of that. You see me I try to show you.
Now the man that me tell you now the man vex. Cause remember him can't say him get no.
But body not change nothing at all after me never do run to my pussy and then sitting there nothing do my throat and all.
Yo, when don't you have to understand how man pre, you know, when time you get a girl and she go do up on them thing there and you can't fuck it back. You got your feelings, cause I know she a hot girl. Know the thing
too much time.
And yeah, me know that Dovey, but me I show you say yo the man I say I bet if you run back piece pan him delete the video. I'm gonna rate boy we do them sitting there. I bet if you run back piece pan him delete them video there.
I think we can't fuck him.
But not give him back none, cause mama man. Him no fear threaten you with nothing.
Yeah. Big trick now. Me know where the fake page them come from all of that. But like I tell them this morning, the last one I write me and send one of the video, and the video them send was with me and the other man. I said, do what you want to do? Because I know I have it. One phone that I have, I know everything. I do because boy no video me and me video me. So I know. You see me? But I'm not afraid. And my fans, they will cheer for me because I say blood clean, don't go hard. I'm going to cheer for myself. Yep. Yep. But like a situation like this now, how me deal with it now as a female or as an artist or whatever, how you deal with this situation though?
If you just go and live your life, that video then I'd stop it. I just get people for talk.
Exactly.
At the end, like,
any publicity.
As my sister say, nothing wrong with that your sister. So if them want to leak, when them leak, you do. Come send, you know, I show where I go and them I say, well, Nothing wrong, you go with yourself to a girl, but Ray. You see me? I go on hard and encourage me. Go on, you see?
Nobody tell me about no. Dovey, remember Entourage shy, you don't scare him already.
Entourage ball out, ever send him the video there.
What? Yeah, I don't even tell you about nobody tell him.
Why I'm not telling you what I do? I did look a bit nervous, but I feel good now that I talk and out there.
Yo, the number one thing in a life, if you're willing for do whatever you do.
And then put up on one page already.
Just make sure you're
one
proud
of the video
of what
on one page.
Yo, Chubby, hold on.
One of the video on one page.
Chubby, 1 second, brother.
And I try to follow like all of the top people them, I like the people them. Mm-hmm. You know, like when me follow, you understand what I said? But them not familiar with all like food no thing now, you know, which me not say, then can't get to the name them. You understand what I said? Yeah. When I go over to them, I follow like 46 people. And when I look at me say, couple I'm familiar with, but look like them names still are going in.
This is crazy.
Yes, I me alone did that suck.
Well, you don't know it, though. You can't worry about them things, you see me? By the way, if them legal, that you can always take legal actions. You see me?
So, me not play with them, man. Trust me.
I feel like once something go up on the net, dog, it's hard to take it down, dog. You see me? It don't really matter. From your pro, the way you're doing it, Dovey. You can find out where it came from, but it's still gonna be up. Remember when Kim K video leak what she did there and what she did now? You see me? Where you do
a dirty man.
You see me?
He's a dirty man and he's blackmail.
Mm-hmm.
That's how it go. That's why I stop fuck them boy, they know, you see me? We don't want the boy to God to help them. Them God to help them man, we don't want them boy they no more. One the man we got done help already.
Yeah, that's the end of the video right there, so you see me? Dovey a ball out cause the tape leak, you understand? But it seemed like it not at all because, you know what I mean? I'm not hearing a big uproar about it, but she said she not care, she a gangster her, but obviously mama you feel some type of way. You keep moving and touching your face and your eye blinking and everything. It signals that you care. You're fret, you're worried. You care about your image. Stop going like you don't care about your image. Because I'm not lie to you, if I tape that drop about me, would I care? You understand? Because when them things that circle on the internet, you're facing them thing there, yes. Your reputation, because you know what I mean. So for some people it work out in some people's favor, but you have to remember that everybody is Kim K, and everybody are Kim K. So you can't really too say, me or Jera say yo Kim K. No, and everybody are Kim K. Ladies, please be mindful of who you're making these tapes with. You understand? If you make a tape nice, watch it back and you see me. Say oh you nasty as shit. You see me? You bad. You freaky as fuck. But you have to know who you make them tape you with. Them think they're fun for do with the person you love. If you make a one tape, it's nice for do them with, you know what I mean? With somebody you love. You can watch it back and you see me? Create even more memories. But you can't go around and just, you know what I mean? Not saying that she's going around and doing it. But you have to be careful. Make sure that them do something in that tape. You have to make sure that them do something in that tape too. You can't just put yourself out there and make yourself so vulnerable. You have to watch yourself. You can't move like some giddy-headed clown out there. It's obvious, Dovey, so you feel away. It's obvious. I can see it in your face. You look worried. But, ladies, just please be mindful of who you're making these tapes with. Fellas, as well, be careful who you're making these tapes with. A lot of these people, them full of revenge and hatred. So the minute you probably not work out as a couple, tape gone up. You see what I say? Please be careful. And you know what I mean, the dog them on the live, they not really care neither. Oh, good. Any publicity or good publicity. What? Do you know that tape can like blighted and mash up Dovey chances of going corporate? That tape right there can do so much harm to her career. Stop regurgitate things on here. Oh, everybody good. Oh, every publicity, good publicity. No. Dovey, super unfortunate what I'm to you. I'm upset, you know, when they can come to agreements and them delete it off of the internet and rare. But, mama, ain't no way, boy. Wish you the best of luck. Keep your head up. You understand? And don't make another tape. Don't you ever make another tape, Dovey Magnum. Dovey Magnum, a ball out, got the tape leak. Everybody, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. And make sure you click the link in the description. Make sure you tune into my song. Make sure you donate to the channel because we want the channel grow and get bigger. You understand? Yeah, man, you don't know the thing when the king said One Nation. One Nation. One Nation. You don't know the things that the king said. You don't know this is Negus Speaks and I'm out.